when I have this sitting here, I know that I need to notch this out and drop it down to my 5 inches over here. So the good news is this is completely level, right?
Yep.
So the bad news is you have a dip in the deck. So I'm gonna hold this to where it needs to be. I'm gonna take something that holds my pencil up to the mark, and then I'm gonna mark this. This is called scribing. I'm gonna hold my pencil, and that piece is gonna hold the pencil up and follow the curve of the deck. And then that is gonna be my mark to cut. Okay, now I can rip that down. One more thing I want to do before I put that piece in is I want to measure this and cut it right where the stud lands. So 130 1/4, and then that way I can get a nail into the stud on both pieces that I butt together. Nice. Now that I know that that fits, I'm going to take this back out. I have to cut a piece to go behind here, remember, to match up to this, so that when I put this piece in, it doesn't go flat to the wall. I got this marked out. I'm just going to do 1 inch. I actually don't have a table saw. I didn't bring one with me, but you can do this with a circular saw. And just as a note, we lucked out where it was just the siding that was rotted. Now, if you felt back here that this was a little punky or a little rotted in the back, you'd have to cut out plywood and patch that in. But for our sake, good news, just the siding rotted. Now we can put this piece in. Perfect. I'm on my mark. Let's make sure it's level still. Perfect. Now we can nail it off.